Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Don't you love it when something that's really good for you also tastes super delicious? Well, this Earthtone Foods Organic Cacao Powder is the epitome of a win-win. This stuff is so good for you. It is a total powerhouse superfood packed with tons of nutrients. But let me tell you, chocolate is amazing and we all love it. So this is a premium product. This is an organic cacao powder. So this is in its raw, natural form. It has not been cooked at all. It's cold pressed and it is non-alkalized. So it is just the raw cacao powder, which retains all of its antioxidants and nutrients. The flavor of this powder is so delicious. It has a really rich and complex chocolate flavor. It has a slight acidity to it, and it tastes amazing in all of your favorite things. I have used this for everything from brownies to smoothies to chocolate overnight oats. And everything that this powder touches turns to gold. It is so, so good. So I love the fact that I am treating my body to something that is really healthy and beneficial for it, but there is no sacrifice on flavor and it really feels like you're having a treat. So if you're looking to obtain the benefits of cacao powder, I would definitely check out Earthtone Foods. This is a very, very good quality powder. I love that it's organic and it's really easy to use in all of your favorite recipes. You will not be disappointed with the delicious chocolate flavor, and that is my point of view.